morning, students. Today I will teach you about the expanded form. Okay, so how we can expand any number. These things I already discussed. Okay, so today I will remind you about the expansion. Okay, how we can expand any 3-digit number. Okay, so for example, 931 is the number. Okay, and this form is called what? Standard form, right? Now writing any number on the basis of the place value, that will be what? Expanded form. Okay, so now you just see the place value of the number. So ones, tens and 100, right? So this one I can write like 900 plus 3 tens plus 1 ones. One ones, right? And in figures we can write this one as 9 stands in 100 place, so we can write 9 with 20, right? Then plus, as 3 stands in tens place, so we can write 3 having 10, plus as 1 stands in ones place, so we can write 1 with no 0, right? So writing any number like this is known as what? Expanded form. Okay, so now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Okay students, now open page number 190, see exercise 4. See the first one, write the expanded form. So we have to write the expanded form of these following number. So we have to identify the place value, then we can expand any number. So ones, tens and this one 100. So in 100 place 4 is there, so we'll write 4 here, right? Then in tens place 6 is there, so we can write 6 here. And in ones place 8 is there, so we can write 8 here, right? And in figures, how we can write? As 4 stands in 100 place, so we'll write 4 with 20, right? Now the next number is what? 6. As 6 stands in tens place, so we'll write 6 with 10. Now the next number is what? 8. As it in ones place, so we'll write only 8. We'll not put any 0 in ones place. Okay, so like this only we have to do this question. So see B part. So 826. So 8 stands in 100 place, so we'll write 8 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 6 ones, right? And in figures, how we can write? 800 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, now we'll do C part. So see, C part, 495. So 4 stands in 100 place. So we'll write 4 hundreds. Then the next number is what? 9 tens plus 5 ones, right? And in figures it will be 400 plus 90 plus 5. Okay, so like this only you have to do these three, D, E and F, in your classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? So D, E and F, these three you have to do in your classwork copy. Now let's move to second question, fill in the blanks. So here we have to write the number. Expanded form it is given, so we have to find out the number. So see, A part it is already done and B part. So if it is written like this, we have to write it like this, and if it is in this form, we have to write in this form. Okay, so we'll do C part. So 600, 4 tens, 6 ones. It means what? 6, 4, 3 will be the number, right? Okay, let's move to D part. 400 plus 90 plus 9. So as 4 stands in 100 place, so we'll write first 4, then 90, that means 9 stands in tens place, then 9. So the answer will be what? 499. Now see E part. 700, that means 7, we'll write here. 9 tens, so then we'll write 9, and 0 ones, we'll write 0. Okay, now see F part. 600, we'll write 6. 80, that means 8 we have to write in tens place, then 7, right? Now see G part. So 500, 5 we'll write first, then in tens place 0 is there, so we'll write 0, and in ones place 7 is there, so we'll write 7. Now see H part. 900, that means 9 stands in 100 place, so we'll write 9, and in tens place no number it is given, so we'll put 0, and this 5 it represents ones place, so we'll write 5 here. So our answer will be what? 905. Okay, so this question also you have to do in your classwork copy. With clean handwriting you have to write this question in your classwork copy. Okay, now see the third question. Write the number that is 10 more than 10 less than it is given, right? So if any number, we have to find out the 10 more than that number, right? So what we will do, we'll change the tens place. Okay, what I mean to say, we have to increase the tens digit number. Suppose any number it is given 435, right? And if this question it is given, it gives like, write the number that is 10 more than 435. So what we will do, we'll change the tens place. This one is the tens place, right? So we'll write the other numbers like this, and we'll increase this tens place by 1. That means if I do plus 1 with 3, it will become how much? 4. So my answer will be what? 445. Okay, and if 10 less than it is given, then we have to do -1 with the digit that is placed in tens place. So if I do -1 with 3, then it will become 425. This will be what? 10 less than. And this will be what? 10 more than. I hope you have understood this one, right? So see the first one, 10 more than it is given. So we have to change the tens place. So this one is the tens place, right? And we have to increase the number by 1, right? We have to do +1 with the digit that is placed in tens place. So 345, it became 355, because if we do +1 with 4, it will become 5. Now see this number, this is the tens digit, right? Now we'll increase this number. We'll do +1 with the tens digit. It will become how much? 578, right? Now let's move to this one. This is the tens digit number, right? So if we increase this number, 9 plus 1, it will become how much? 10, right? Now we can't put two digits together. We'll place only 0, and this 1 will give it to 7. So our number will be what? 800, right? Now this one you will do it by yourself, and this one you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, let's move to B part. So here we have to find out the number that is 10 less than that number. So we'll do -1 with the tens place digit. So here it is the tens digit 8. So -1, if we do -1 with 8, it will become how much? 7. So answer will be what? 479. Now this is the tens place. Again we'll do -1. It will become 977, right? Now this one is the tens digit, right? So with 0 we can't do -1, right? We have to borrow. Now suppose this one is 600. Okay, we'll not count the last 0, because we have to change only the tens digit. Okay, now if I do -1 with 60, so 0, we can't do subtraction, right? Now it will borrow 1, it will become 5, and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 1, it will become how much? 9, and this will become 5. So our answer will be what? 590. Okay, now this one you will do by yourself. Okay, 505. Here also you have to do -1 with the digit that is placed in tens place. Okay, now see 100 more than. So if it asks about the number that is 100 more than another, okay, so here we have to change the 100 place value. Okay, we'll increase the 100 digit by 1. So as you can see here, 430, this is the 100 place 4. Now we'll do +1 with 4, it will become how much? 5. That's why it is written 530. Okay, now here as you can see, 6 is the number that is placed in 100 place. Now we'll increase 6 by 1, it will become how much? +1, 7. Now write the other digits as it is. Okay, now these two you will do by yourself. I know these two you can do. Okay, you have to do +1 with the digit that is placed in 100 place. Now here you have to do -1 with the digit that is placed in 100 place. Now 2 minus 1, it will be 1. So the answer will be 135. Now this is the 100 place. So 5 minus 1, it will become 4. 455. Right? Like this only, these two also you have to do it by yourself. And this one you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay? Okay, I hope you have understood this one. So that's all for today.